Grown man. It should be evident by this sport coat and very real flower in my lapel.
Is there some kind of new coping mechanism you're employing?
The more interesting question you should be asking is, what does this flower smell like?
I am a gaver.
Actually, the paperclip is to connect these two circuits, and the olive oil is to lubricate the mechanism. And the hair ribbon is for Lily. Her hair's been driving me crazy all day. What?
It's like it's raining.
Pretty cool, huh? But if you're thinking you could put a fish in there and it wouldn't get sucked up into the mechanism, well, you'd be wrong.
Can I use your bathroom?
Nope. Him 253. His eyes are on the sparrow. My parents got divorced. That's when I started using humor as a defense mechanism.
Hi. Do you guys have plans for the weekend? Because I have my sister on hold, and she said that we could have her cabin for the weekend and go skiing.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word mechanism. It means an assembly of moving parts performing a complete functional motion, often being part of a large machine. Linkage also means the agency or means by which an effect is produced or a purpose is accomplished. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce mechanism, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to mech. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how mechanism is used in real life.
Actually, the paperclip is to connect these two circuits, and the olive oil...
Is there some kind of new coping mechanism you're employing?
But if you're thinking you could put a fish in there and it wouldn't get sucked up into the mechanism, well...
My parents got divorced. That's when I started using humor as a defense mechanism.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.